Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. Let's see if it can be related to a turbo losing some oil, with that the engine loses power and does not exceed 2000 revolutions per minute. In principle this is not related, I explain. It is normal that in turbos, over time, with use, wear occurs inside. And due to these wears, some of the oil that lubricates the turbine shaft ends up in the air intake. When it is a small amount it is not worrying, but if it is a larger amount it is. Although, it loses power and does not exceed 2000 revolutions per minute, this happens because the ECU is detecting some serious problem in the engine, and what it is doing is limiting it. To protect it, this problem can be caused by a sensor that is giving bad information. The MAP, the MAF, or any other sensor. It can also be a problem, for example with a turbo solenoid valve. It can also be a problem with the variable geometry, for example, in variable geometry turbos, the geometry has become obstructed, in a position in which the engine may be damaged, and it may also be, which also happens in many cases, that the particulate filter is clogged, and the differential pressure sensor is giving the data of the obstruction. Then the ECU, to protect the engine, what it does is limit it. And how does it limit it? To remove power and limit it, what it does first is stop sending current to the turbo solenoid valve, whether it is a pneumatic one like this one, or an electronic one, of which they have the turbo incorporated, and in addition, it also limits the amount of fuel that is injected through the injectors, thus controlling the power and also controlling the engine revolutions. As I say, this is done to protect the engine. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.